just away from the city life is much needed, guys. Change your lifestyle, try and do this. This is fun. Swan Stories is all about this. Check this out. It's beautifully cooked in the center. It's fried, steamed, roasted, the masala, everything is combined together, and I can't wait to dig in. Anthony Bourdain, during the trip to Kerala, compared this technique of cooking the fish wrapped in banana leaf to the French technique of cooking the fish in parchment paper called fish en papillote, and I am going to be making Meen Pollichathu, which is fish wrapped in banana leaf, slow cooked with masala. Ever since I crossed the borders to get into Kerala, this is one thing that I have been wanting to taste, and I did taste it, and now I am recreating. That is Meen Pollichathu. So today I have this beautiful freshwater pomfret. This is not your ocean pomfret. This is a freshwater pomfret that you get very easily here in Kerala. So traditionally, Meen Pollichathu is made with curry meen. That's a pearl spot fish. I am making it with this fish today because I couldn't get my hands on pearl spot, but this works just fine. So you can use any fish for this, and this is going to turn just fine. I have cleaned it. I've cleaned the guts, and I have descaled it entirely. I've chopped off the fins, and now it's ready to marinate. Just before that, what I'm doing here is I'm going to give it a few slits so that the masala marinates nicely. So guys, this is my home for this month. As you all know, I am living here in the authentic Kerala life, and I am experiencing the local, Malayali lifestyle here. I'm cooking the food, I'm living it, I'm actually harvesting all my ingredients fresh from this very property, and that is some kind of an experience, I must say. So we're beginning with basic marinade, that is just turmeric powder, chilli powder. This is Kashmiri chilli powder, it's not very spicy, and salt. I'm just going to give this a dry mix. Adding a little bit of water here to make it into a thick paste. Now to this paste, I'm also going to be adding a little bit of coconut oil. So this is the consistency. I'm just going to get my hands dirty and massage the marinade into the fish. Let it all get into the cavities. Also on the inside. Just dropping some here. River that you can see behind me, this gorgeous river, is River Ayavana. And this area is also called Ayavana, where I am. It's a remote place. It's literally like living in a forest, guys, and this has to be one of the most surreal experiences I've had. Okay, now this is generously marinated. Now I'm going to start with the marinade, the wet marinade. We already did the dry one. So now these are really hot green chilies here that I get. So I just need maybe 1 or 2. That's about it. I've taken about 2-inch ginger. So ginger, the quantity of ginger has to be more than garlic. I'm taking a few cloves of garlic now. And I think we have a little bit of rain, which doesn't help when you're cooking al fresco. To this, I'm adding a couple of sprigs of curry leaves, which is a must. This technique of grinding curry leaves is very, very, I think, specific to this area, because in Maharashtra or north of India, you don't do that. I'm adding a little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder and 2 big spoons of pepper powder. So this is just crushed pepper. You can use whole pepper as you're going to grind this whole thing. So the fish has been marinating for about 15 minutes now. I'm just heating an iron wok to fry the whole fish in some coconut oil. So when you're frying the fish, see to it that when you slide the fish in to the wok, the kadai is really hot, and then you can turn it down. I'm just going to turn this over. The thing is that the fish is cooked in two different ways. Once it's fried and then it is steamed again, and actually after which then it's wrapped in banana leaf and then roasted on the pan with the banana leaf. So there is quite a process, so you don't want to overcook the fish in the process. This process is more to give the fish a nice crisp crust on the outside. I'm reducing the flame. Now the fish is ready. I'm going to just take this out and let it rest. And in the same wok, in the same exact oil, I'm going to start frying the rest of our masala. So this is chopped red shallots, the small onion. Some people also like adding coconut to this. I'm not going to be doing that because this is a more authentic way of making Meen Pollichathu. I'm adding a little bit of salt so that the onions sweat. This always helps the onions cook faster. Oh, this smells so good. So this is the ground paste which is ready. It smells yummy because it's got curry leaves in it, ginger, garlic, and lots of pepper. Smells so good. I can hear so many birds around me. This place in itself is like a bird sanctuary. And I also happened to spot a racket-tailed drongo today, which is a very, very rare bird to spot. And I think there were a couple. Just adding a little bit of water to this, not too much, so that doesn't burn. So you're looking for nice thick gravy. The masala is ready and it smells delicious. I'm going to just take this out and let it rest. So cooking in banana leaf is such a wonderful thing, guys. I mean, it is the most sustainable way of cooking. You're not, you don't need any plates. There's abundance of banana trees everywhere. You're making the most of every part of that tree and not getting it to waste. And by using banana leaf, you're avoiding to use paper or aluminium foil. So that is something that is not good for you. So now to season the banana leaf, what I'm doing is I have just chopped it off in the center lengthwise, and I'm just going to season it on the flame so that it does not tear. You can actually see the color changing. Same thing on the other side. And my leaf is seasoned and ready to wrap the fish in. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to start with plating the masala. I'm just pressing it down with the help of my spatula. So one side of the masala is done, and now I'm placing the fish right on top of it. Now I'm placing the masala on top of the fish. I'm just lightly pressing it down. Beautiful process of cooking the fish in banana leaf. Wrapped, roasted, steamed in banana leaf. And the slow cooking process helps release the flavor from the banana leaf and penetrate into the fish. And I also do this same process in turmeric leaf. If you see my modak video, I cooked the modak, steamed them in turmeric leaves. Just for some garnish, I'm going to be adding curry leaf sprig, some lemon rings, so now the package is ready to fry in the kadhai again. Now into the kadhai I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil. just a little. Now I'm placing the fish into it. And I'll let it cook just for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. That's going to be enough. I have kept a very low flame. It's time for me to turn this over. It is frying the fish, and while it's steaming, and also help release all the aromas from the banana leaf and penetrate into the fish. So this is my first Meen Pollichathu. Meen Pollichathu. I hope all my Malayali friends approve of my pronunciation. So don't worry if the leaf burns from the other side, because the fish is not going to burn. This is what you're looking for. Moment of truth. The fish is ready. Just going to cut open this. Check this out. How gorgeous does my freshwater pomfret, all dressed up in the spices, in the tangy masala, spicy tangy masala with curry leaves. Guys, my version of Meen Pollichathu, fish fried in banana leaf, Kerala style, is ready. I'm just gonna cut this now. It's beautifully cooked through. I'm going to taste some. What fun sitting next to the river and digging into fresh water pomfret cooked in banana leaf. It's soft from inside, crispy on the outside. Love the masala. This would go really well with any Indian breads. Roti, naan, pulka, dosa or rice. And of course, Kerala parota. That's what they say. It's not a paratha, it's a parota. Yummy. Guys, try this out. This recipe is really special. It's a delicacy, at the same time a tradition, authentic Kerala fish recipe. Do try this out. It's easy, yummy, different. And let me know in the comments how it turns out. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.